Hey foodies! It's Mihaela from Blondelish.com, and today I'm gonna show you how to make boiled corn on the cob. This is one of my absolute favorite summer snacks. I could have this corn and summer on repeat for the rest of my life. Who's with me, foodies? Bring a large pot of water to a boil. Let's prepare the corn. Remove the husks and the silks from the corn and discard them. I like to trim the ends and cut the corn in half. It will make it easier to combine with the flavorings later on. Carefully place the corn into the boiling water. Cook, stirring occasionally to make sure the corn is submerged for about 5 to 10 minutes or until the corn is tender. Meanwhile, I'll prepare the butter herb flavorings. Chop a handful of parsley, basil leaves and chives. Melt the butter in a small saucepan over medium heat. Add in the pressed garlic together with the chopped herbs. Stir to combine and remove from heat. Once the corn is done cooking, carefully drain all the water. Transfer to a large bowl or a deep serving platter. I'm gonna add some extra salt just because I love it. And a quick tip, use salt flakes or even better, smoked salt flakes. That was it, foodies! For the full recipe plus tips and tricks, just click the link below. And for weekly updates, like, share and subscribe.